the waveform, noise, triangle, and this stuff. The filter, it only has one. Makes this. And it has a LFO, and that LFO gets it's here. And the trick is now, okay, you can play with this, okay, LFO and all this shit, cut-off modulation. Now LFO is to the cutoff. Then two other guys and you can go here. And everything what comes in here, you can use all the options from that thing, okay? For example, the delay. Now I activate the delay. Or the reverb. Or whatever. So this is the effect section, this is the filter section of the virus. So whatever. I will give it to you in a state of nothingness, so there will be no effect applied. You see how you do it. Here is the select button, so you switch through. Now it's delay, activate delay, time color, feedback. Nothing. But why? Why is the color so strange? So what we have here now is all the effects and shit. I turn them off, here you turn them on, and here you select through, and then you have here the same thing for other effects, distortion and shit like that.